the latest development within the National Herald case, BJP MP Ravi Shankar Prasad has launched a scathing attack on the Gandhi family. In a press conference, the MP said that the National Herald was never a property of the Nehru family and that both Sonia Gandhi as well as Rahul Gandhi had usurped the company which many had formed with their contribution through a corporate conspiracy. Now, to set the context, the National Herald case heat is back on the Gandhi family. For the first time ever, the ED, Enforcement Directorate, has charge-sheeted Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in the National Herald case. It is a political flashpoint which is now reignited again. The ED has also named Congress veteran Sam Pitroda and Suman Dubey in the charge sheet. The charge sheet was filed in the Delhi's Rouse Avenue court and hearing is now set for 25th of April.
2008 में नेशनल हेराल्ड का पब्लिकेशन बंद हो गया क्योंकि वो चल नहीं पाया। उसके बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी ने नेशनल हेराल्ड को 90 करोड़ रुपया दिया था, एसोसिएटेड जर्नल लिमिटेड जो इसको पब्लिश करते थे। ये जानना जरूरी है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है। पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को कई एग्जम्पशंस हैं, आपको मालूम है। तो वो किसी प्राइवेट बॉडी को पार्टी का फंड नहीं दे सकते हैं, इस बात को समझे आप। दैट इज प्योरली प्रोहिबिटेड। दिया उनकी बात है, घर की कंपनी थी। अब उसके बाद उसने कहा आपका लोन हम दे नहीं सकते। तो दे नहीं सकते तो एक बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से एक कॉर्पोरेट षड्यंत्र किया गया, कैसे ये पूरी संपत्ति आ जाए परिवार के हाथ में। तो जो एक कंपनी बनाई गई यंग इंडिया कर करके, उसमें 38% शेयर सोनिया जी का, 38% राहुल जी का और बाकी मोतीलाल वोरा और बाकी लोग का था। ऑस्कर फर्नांडिस वगैरह इस टाइप के लोग थे वहां पर। ये इक्विटी शेयर 9 करोड़ के पूरे शेयर इस यंग इंडिया कंपनी को ट्रांसफर कर दिए गए।
रूल ऑफ लॉ जिसको हम कहते हैं, डेमोक्रेसी, लोकतंत्र, कहां है रूल ऑफ लॉ? अभी इनको चार्जशीट करने का आज के दिन क्यों कर रहे हैं ये सब चार्जशीट? ये मामला तो कितना पुराना है और कौन सा इन्होंने कोई जुर्म किया है? अरे भैया, जिस शख्स ने ये फाइल किया वो शेयर होल्डर तो नहीं है और एजेएल ने तो कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं किया, कंपनी तो कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं किया। तो इनको क्या तकलीफ हो रही है? और कौन से प्रोसीड्स ऑफ क्राइम जिसको कहते हैं कि भाई जुर्म का जो पैसा है, कौन से जुर्म का पैसा इनके पास है? जो कंपनी है वो तो एक सेक्शन 25 कंपनी है, तो उसमें तो आपको कुछ ले ही नहीं सकते कंपनी से। वो जारी संपत्ति है, वो कंपनी की है। लेकिन इनका मकसद ये नहीं है, इनका मकसद जो पहले भी कर चुके हैं कि नफरत फैलाओ। जो भी इस देश में जो विपक्ष के लोग हैं, जो मंत्री हैं, चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, उनके परिवार के लोग हैं, उनके ऊपर केस करो।
As I mentioned, this is the first time ever the ED has now charge-sheeted Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in the National Herald case. This is going to be a political flashpoint with both Congress and the BJP locking horns in days to come. My colleague Deepak Badana joining us with more details. Deepak, run our viewers through what the National Herald case is all about. And after years of, really figuring out if there was a scam or not a scam, and so essentially investigating the matter, it finally looks like ED has nailed the Gandhi family.
Well, if the mood of the AICC is any clue, they see it as an existential threat to the Congress party. It is the people at the very helm of the Congress who are now in the crosshairs of the ED. So the Enforcement Directorate has presently filed a charge sheet. The key accused are accused number 1 Sonia Gandhi, accused number 2 Rahul Gandhi, along with Suman Dubey, Sam Pitroda, Sunil Bhandari, and 2 companies in particular, Young Indian and Dotex Merchandise. Special Judge Vishal Gogne has took up the charge sheet on April the 9th and has scheduled the hearing for April the 25th. The charges are under the PMLA, notably sections 3, 4, 44, 45 and 70. And ED is seeking punishment under section 4 of the PMLA, which will allow for up to 7 years of imprisonment. Now, ED claims that there was a criminal conspiracy by the Congress leadership to take over 2,000 crore rupees worth of properties from Associated Journals Limited. You've already noted about Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi each having 38% stake in Young India. There's also a conversation about, a loan conversion in which 90 crore rupees worth of loans from AICC to AJL were then transferred to this company or organization, which, as the BJP, as the ED alleges, is controlled by Rahul Gandhi. Now, the Young Indian claims that it's a non-profit, while ED says otherwise. So, what we are seeing today is that there is a massive mobilization against this case at the Congress. We've never seen so many people at the Congress headquarters in the past few years, not even at the elections where the party has tried to mobilize all its support. Behind me, you can see a sea of hundreds of people here. You see Congress flags waving all the way. Outside the AICC, we have massive police presence. We have riot police with smoke guns and the whole lot. So let's just hear from a few people here what they think about the present case. Sir, आप अभी जो आए हैं, ये जो charges हुए, इनके बारे में हमें बताइए, आपका क्या राय है?
सर, इसके अंदर क्लियर है कि ये तो मोदी जी सिंपल है। इस वक्त वो राहुल गांधी जी के क्वेश्चंस का जवाब तो पार्लियामेंट में किसी का दे नहीं पाए। किसी तरीके से ध्यान भटकाने के लिए, उन्हें दबाने के लिए इस तरीके से एक 11 साल पुराने केस में एकदम से चार्जशीट फाइल कर दी। वो भी एक ऐसा केस है, आप देखिए इसके अंदर कोई फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है। जब भी, और हमें मालूम है कि राहुल गांधी जी इस चीज़ से डरेंगे नहीं। इस चीज़ के लिए राहुल गांधी जी बहुत पहले ही बोल चुके थे। जब भी किसी भी मेजर स्टेट में चुनाव आने लगता है, उनको कहीं ना कहीं परेशान करने के लिए, उनको कहीं ना कहीं उलझाने के लिए इस तरीके के कभी ईडी कभी सीबीआई ऐसे लोगों, इन चीज़ों से कांग्रेस के नेताओं को दबाने की कोशिश ये गवर्नमेंट हमेशा ही करती आ रही है।
Shweta, I'll also take you to some people from the Youth Congress. This gentleman in particular has been very vocal today. He was at the forefront of the protest. Sir, मुझे ये बताइए कि अभी ये जो रैली आप लोग ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, इसका उद्देश्य क्या है?
सर, आप खुद बताइए, जिन जिन पे भाजपा ने आरोप लगाया उनको अपने साथ मिला लिया, और राहुल गांधी के ऊपर आपने देखा है 52 घंटे 55 घंटे इन्होंने बुला के ईडी को, सीबीआई को इन्होंने पूछताछ कर ली। ये केस ऑलरेडी बंद हो चुका था। ये फिर सिर्फ और सिर्फ दुर्भावना के थ्रू राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी परिवार को परेशान करने के अलावा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि इन्होंने काम नहीं किए। ये सिर्फ हिंदू मुस्लिम, ये ईडी सीबीआई, इनके अलावा कोई काम नहीं है इनके पास। और मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि कांग्रेस का एक एक कार्यकर्ता, राहुल गांधी जी, सोनिया गांधी जी कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ खड़ा हुआ है। मेरे जैसा अदना कार्यकर्ता अपनी जान तक की बाजी लगा देगा अगर मोदी जी ने राहुल गांधी को छूने की भी कोशिश करी। ईडी तो छोड़ दीजिए, राहुल गांधी जी ने जब बुलाया ईडी ने तब पहुंचे। ये क्या मतलब है? एक ही दिन रॉबर्ट वाड्रा जी को बुला लिया।
As you can see, passions are running high at the AICC. We've never seen such massive mobilization of Congress supporters in the past few years. And clearly they understand that this is an existential threat. What happens now will be for all to see. Over to you, Shweta.
Right, on your screens right now, that massive crowd that has gathered at the AICC headquarters. My colleague Deepak Badana continues to bring us all those details. Passion soaring high, people angry, miffed with the latest ED action on Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Many supporters of the Congress party suggesting that the Congress party in fact is being dragged into the controversy, even as ED could not really find any financial transaction. And with that, I think in a conversation and a continued investigation that ED has now carried out with the Gandhi families. Remember, Robert Vadra appeared before the Enforcement Directorate yesterday. Today, as of this morning, we know Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi have now been named in the National Herald case. These are two separate cases, albeit, but parallels being drawn by the members of the Congress family and supporters of the Congress party, saying that this is a witch hunt against the opposition. Let me quickly go back to Deepak Badana. All action there happening around you, Deepak. Bring us more voices on what the Congress party, the members of the Congress party are feeling and saying at the moment. We also know that apart from Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, veteran Congress leaders Sam Pitroda, Suman Dubey have also been named in the charge sheet. The charge sheet, as we know, has been filed in the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, and the hearing is set for April 25th, which is a couple of days away from now. But that hasn't really stopped the Congress workers from gathering at the AICC headquarters.
Well, Shweta, for them, this is actually the moment of action. You know, this is the moment of truth. The case, the hearing will happen when it will. But for them, this is a show of strength and about the fact that the Congress workers are willing to fight for what they believe in the face of what they call an onslaught at the very existence of the party. So, I'll take you to some of the people here. Sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
मायापुरी
आप क्यों आए हैं यहाँ पे?
मैं राजू गांधी के साथ देने।
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए, ये जो केस है, इसके बारे में आपको बताया यहाँ पे आज क्यों आए? ये जो रैली हो रही है, इसका उद्देश्य क्या है?
इसका उद्देश्य लेके आया मैं इनका सावधान निकालने के लिए, जो बीजेपी वाले तंग कर रखे हैं, परेशान कर रखे हैं सबको, हर चीज़ पे इसीलिए आए हैं।
Let me take you to some more people here who have come. Sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं दिल्ली का हूँ, कांग्रेस पार्टी का सेक्रेटरी दिल्ली का जी।
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए, इस रैली का उद्देश्य क्या है?
ये मोदी जी को झूठ पकड़ा जाता है हर बार। मोदी जी की सरकार जाने वाली है, ये घबराहट में ईडी और सीबीआई मोदी जी की कठपुतली है। ईडी कठपुतली है, सीबीआई कठपुतली है क्या? मोदी जी सरकार जाने वाली है क्योंकि 240 पे रुक गए। घोटाले तो मोदी जी ने किए हैं, 11 साल देश को बर्बाद भी किया और घोटाले भी किए हैं। उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे, ये कहावत आपने सुनी होगी।
ये बताइए, क्या राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी पे जो केस है, क्या ये कांग्रेस के अस्तित्व के ऊपर एक हमला?
देखिए, मोदी जी कुछ भी करे, 11 साल में क्या मिला पहले इनको? पहले कोर्ट में क्या मिला? कुछ साबित कर पाए? कुछ भी साबित नहीं कर पाए। अब भी वही, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी नाम सच है। कहते डरो मत, डराओ मत, अभय मुद्रा, ये राहुल जी का मंत्र है। और ये सत्यमेव जयते इस देश में राजीव जी के पुत्र हैं जिन्होंने देश की शहादत दी। और ये जो हैं मुकबर, गोरों के मुकबर, ये हमें सिखाएंगे राजनीति, क्योंकि इनको डर है सरकार जाने वाली, इनके घोटाले खुलने वाले हैं। 240 पे रोक दिया राहुल जी ने। ये राहुल जी हैं जो मोदी जी से बात कर सकते हैं और डरते हैं राहुल जी से मोदी जी। और ये देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री हैं जो ईडी और सीबीआई का सहारा ले रहे हैं। बस सच लाओ ना, सच सामने लाओ ना, झूठ की बुनियाद पे क्यों राजनीति करते हो?
Shweta, as you will hear from some of these supporters who have come, and we've had people coming from all over India, particularly northern India. So we've had this gentleman who came from Delhi itself, while others have come from Madhya Pradesh and from Bihar as well. Clearly, as you hear, they do not believe in the charges that have been laid against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. But while not everyone will admit it publicly, the fact is that they do understand that should the case be proven, should these allegations be proven, the very existence of the Congress party will be at stake. It is the entire, virtually the most senior of the Congress leadership which has been accused. Never before has something like this happened in the past 10-11 years, not at least to this degree. Today they are going to take a massive rally from here all the way up to the ED office, and they believe that their demonstration will actually be a show of strength. Let's listen to some of these young men who've come. Sir, आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
सर यमुना विहार से।
यमुना विहार से। आप कहाँ से आए हैं सर?
सेम यमुना विहार से।
यमुना विहार से। आप अभी ये जो रैली हो रही है, आप का उद्देश्य क्या है इससे?
उद्देश्य यह है कि मोदी की ना चले, राहुल गांधी जी की चले। हमारे वो जब भी कुछ होता है तो ईडी को आगे कर देते हैं। मनीष सिसोदिया के साथ भी ऐसे करता, पर हाँ उनकी थोड़ी गलती थी, पर अब तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए।
अरे आपकी उम्र क्या है?
मेरी 18।
So, Shweta, here are two 18-year-old boys who've come as members of the Youth Congress. Only a short while ago, a massive contingent, almost 200 to 300 youth workers, along with Congress leader Imran Pratap Gadi, went out on a march from here. Presently, they've been stopped outside by the riot police. There are barricades outside the AICC headquarters. There are water cannons in place. There are at least 200 Delhi police personnel who've been brought in to maintain peace and calm right here, because because of course this is the heart of Delhi. This is the heart of the Indian political ecosystem. So security is of course high. In just a short while, the rally will start moving from here all the way to the ED office, where they will make their submission and register their protest against the Enforcement Directorate. We'll keep you updated as and how things progress.
All right, Deepak Badana there with the latest as far as Congress headquarters is concerned, where a number of Congress party workers have joined in, some of them not sure why, some of them unable to really dictate on what they're angry about and as to why they're there at the headquarters. They've all been flung into the AICC headquarters there to protest the case which revolves, remember, around the Associated Journal Limited, the AJL, which was founded by Jawaharlal Nehru and other Congress leaders way back in 1937 to publish the National Herald. It was meant to be a non-profit media voice of the freedom movement. However, the ED alleges that Young Indian Private Limited, a company owned by Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, took over AJL's assets worth 2,000 crore rupees for just 50 lakh. This move, the agency says, was in violation of the Section 8 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act, the PMLA Act, which prohibits profits from charitable trust to be diverted. So diversion of money, those are the allegations on Rahul Gandhi. Enforcement Directorate further claims that 988 crore was laundered through this deal. So far, assets worth 661 crore rupees have been seized, including National Herald House in Delhi, a Mumbai property as well as a bungalow in Lucknow. The ED has now filed charge sheet under Section 44 and 45 of the PMLA for commission of the offence of money laundering as defined under Section 3 of the Act, along with Section 70, which is offences by companies seeking to establish vicarious liability of the office bearers and executives of the firm. So under Section 3 and Section 70, both Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi as well as senior Congress members have now been booked. Now, ED has sought punishment for the accused under Section 4 of the PMLA, where jail term can be extended up to 7 years. The case was originally triggered by a complaint from BJP leader Subramanian Swamy in 2013. The Congress is calling this a political vendetta. On your screens right now, hundreds of Congress members, Congress workers who've gathered at AICC to register their protest against the ED action. Now, Ashok Gehlot has called the crackdown on the Congress party as an assault on democracy, saying that it is aimed at financially disabling the Congress. Jairam Ramesh, another Congress leader, termed it as a state-sponsored crime masquerading as rule of law. Those are the latest, of course, as far as that case which is now charge-sheeted Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Let's quickly listen in to the reactions that are coming in from AICC right now.
Cash flows are very stable. What we get on project finance is...
ये काली पैंट और सफेद शर्ट भैया से निवेदन है कि वो नीचे उतर जाएं। किसी को चोट लगी तो आप खुद जिम्मेदार होंगे। सरकारी संपत्ति का किसी भी प्रकार से नुकसान ना हो। अब ये जो कूद के चल पड़े हैं, इनको पुनः चेतावनी दी जा रही है कि अगर आप अपनी हरकत से बाज नहीं आएंगे तो आपके
On your screens right now, members of the Congress party being detained as we speak, some of them registering their protest. It's a massive chaos that has unraveled outside the AICC headquarters. The police tried to calm the crowds down and after that crowd erupted in large numbers, police there, the Delhi police trying to detain some of these protesters who were on streets outside the AICC headquarters. The drama that is unfolding at AICC this morning on the back of senior Congress leaders, including Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, being charge-sheeted in the National Herald case. Massive protests that have broken out where Congress workers have gathered from all across the National Capital Region outside the AICC headquarters to register their protest against what they call a conspiracy by the BJP to corner the Congress party by naming its senior leaders and controlling the ED actions as well as the action of investigative agencies who have now named Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in that National Herald case. Visuals, of course, coming in from New Delhi, quite dramatic as of this morning, where various workers of the Congress party are being detained as we speak on your screens right now.